Start your day with gentle Tai Chi movements that help burn fat, wake up your body, and improve flexibility. Breathe deeply, move with intention, and feel stronger, lighter, and more energized with every step. Three, two, one. Begin. Exercise 1. Step into a wide stance and smoothly raise one hand while lowering the other. Then switch sides with gentle weight shifts. This movement wakes up your body, improves shoulder mobility, and promotes healthy circulation. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 2. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart and shift your weight from side to side while alternately reaching one hand to the opposite shoulder. This movement helps burn fat, strengthens your waist and legs, and improves overall coordination. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 3. Lift one knee while raising one arm overhead and the other across your chest. Then lower smoothly and switch sides. This movement improves flexibility, strengthens your hips and core, and enhances balance. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 4. Stand in a staggered stance with the back toes grounded and reach both arms overhead. Bend forward, lower into one bent knee with the other leg extended, and circle both arms backward. This movement stretches the back, strengthens the thighs, and improves posture. Switch sides. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 5. Start with your forearms together in front of your chest. Then lift one knee while opening your elbows to shoulder height. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. This movement strengthens your core, improves balance, and boosts hip stability. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 6. Lower into a gentle squat with your forearms crossed in front. Then stand, step one leg to the side with the toes touching the floor, and clap both hands overhead. This movement opens the chest, encourages deeper breathing, supports lung function, and strengthens the legs. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 7. Step into a wide stance and shift your weight from side to side as your arms open, cross, lift overhead, and lower smoothly. This movement supports healthy blood circulation, strengthens your legs and shoulders, and improves full body coordination. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 8. Stand tall with your arms extended at shoulder height. Then clap your hands in front of your chest as you lift one knee. Return to the starting position and switch sides. This movement wakes up your body, supports heart health, and improves balance. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 9. Step into a front stance and smoothly rotate your arms in a large wheel motion while turning your upper body. This movement improves shoulder flexibility, enhances spinal mobility, and promotes healthy circulation through the upper body. Switch sides. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 10. Balance on one leg with the other leg bent behind you. keeping one arm extended at shoulder height and the other bent in front of your chest. This movement helps burn fat, strengthens your core and hips, and enhances balance. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 11. Interlace your fingers overhead. Gently rise onto your toes while keeping your arms extended. Then lower your heels with control and rest both hands on top of your head. This movement strengthens your calves, promotes healthy circulation in the legs, and improves ankle stability. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 12. Start with your hands in front of your chest, then rotate your torso to one side, step into a staggered stance with the back toes touching the floor, and pull your arms into a bow drawing motion. Return smoothly and switch sides. This movement improves upper back mobility, opens the chest, and supports deeper breathing. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 13. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart and press your palms overhead. Then bend forward and clap your hands between your legs before returning upright. This movement improves flexibility, stretches your spine and hamstrings, and supports healthy circulation through the back. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 14. Place one hand on your hip and gently rotate your torso while pressing the opposite palm away from the direction you are facing. Switch sides, then finish with slow, stretching breaths to relax your muscles, release tension, and gradually return your heart rate to normal. Three, two, one. Relax. excellent work today. Every Tai Chi session is an investment in a stronger, healthier, and more flexible you. Thank you for practicing with me. Keep showing up each day, and your body will reward you with greater strength, balance, and lasting vitality. See you in the next workout.